Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle, Tectonic with 1 star. Not in today's newspaper of today, on Thursday, August the 10th, 2023. No, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the edition of Wednesday, August the 9th, 2023, in the yesterday's edition. Alright, and I've already solved 2 puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 2 stars. And it's time now for the Tectonic, a.k.a. Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 69001. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 19. Should be an easy one. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the 1 star? The single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. But by the way, the hard ones of the Tectonics or the Jigsaw Sudokus are the ones with 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 19. Should be an easy one. Okay. Next question, do we have here dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I've already said. Well, the 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. Same for here, the 2. Next question, do we have here triple box? Here triple box, there triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, yeah, this is the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4 then. Same for this triple box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Could be everywhere, the 1, 2 and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for the quadra box. Only 1 quadra box. And when you see a quadra box, yeah, it contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, the quadra box. Next strategy is to recognize, next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. That's the L shape. Do we have more L shapes here? No. L shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. The following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? This is the S construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Let me draw the S here. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 missing numbers in this Z or S construction for number 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes in there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1, so 2 numbers left in this quadrant box for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 3, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be a 2, this box can be a 5, so the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 5, but we already have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Then let me see, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So the 4 in this area could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be here. This box can be 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so the other pair should be the 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 3, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3, and this box is connected with that box, so it's a 1 or a 3. Alright, let me think. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 3, because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3. Can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Okay, these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes in there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. Here we have a pair 1 and a 3 in this L-shaped area, so this box, 1 digit left should be for the 2. Okay. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 final numbers. For numbers 1 and a 2 in this triple box, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes, and we solve it again. And I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. By the way, this Tectonic or Jigsaw Sudoku is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 9. Alright. Okay. Well, thank you for watching again, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow. On Friday, yes, last working day of the week. So see you then. Bye bye for now.